the other time I showed you how to check the global currency here. Yeah, you can check your global currency each time you want to process an invoice. This is the way how you process, you get it. Get it from there, select everything here, then update it here. Yeah. So once it's updated, then you can go and get your report here. Right. Okay, this is your report. So let's check about the Zambian kwacha. Where are we standing today? Okay, 17.2. Okay, which means that our currency is weakening. So we wrote in here. Okay, put in our password, which you are familiar with it, right? Then from here, we do just like that. Okay. Yeah, we are in the software there now. So what we need to do is we need to check whether we have the money in the cash book. Okay, the main cash book. So let's assume that we are just starting using the software from day one. What we need to do is to transfer, okay, or enter the opening balances here. So I'll say today, let's say we are starting from 1st December. Okay, so here we say opening balances. Opening balances. Okay, yeah. So the opening balance, let's say this is kwacha. Okay, so kwacha to kwacha, right? So which bank are we debiting here? It is Zanaco. Okay, so it's we'll use Zanaco as a bank. Okay, so which is that one there? Okay, say opening balance. Good. But you need to put in the narration, which is very readable for the auditors, otherwise you have a problem. Let's say we have 250,000 here, right? Now here you use reserves and the surplus. That's where the netting off happens. Okay, right? While here we can take advantage by transferring part of that money into Petcash. So we say Petcash. We have Petcash. Yeah, we have. Right? Yeah. So I say transfer to Petcash. Okay. How much are we transferring to Petcash? Let's say 50,000. Okay. Then, oh, sorry. Petcash actually is receiving, so it's a debit. So 50,000. We are transferring it there. Okay. From where? From Bank Zanaco. Yeah. Then, okay, I'll just copy these narrations here. While I'm starting typing everything. Right. So credit this account. We are done. So remember, Petcash and the main cash, they are one and the same, except that the Petcash is a mini cash book. Okay, so you should remember that. Save. Okay. Oh, we are not balancing, so there's something over here. Okay, so the trouble is in this one here. So here we are supposed to say 250. Yeah, no, that's the beauty about the accounting software. It helps us control everything where we are not balancing. So it's balancing now. We can post it now. Okay, right. Okay, open and balance. We post that. Done. Right? Yeah. Now, if you check the trial balance, let's see how it looks like. Okay. We need it, we should be able to see two entries. One, the cash book reduced by 50,000 kwacha and the Petcash there. Yeah, unless otherwise. Right? Yeah. Okay. This is exactly what has happened. We removed 15,000 from the main cash book and brought it to Petcash there, right? Everything's okay. So our main cash book there is 200,000, right? Okay, we close here, then exit, then from here we are going to say, let's assume that we want to buy stationery. Okay, we are sending someone. Okay, so what you need before you do anything, you need to create staff data. Okay, okay, staff data need to be there. Okay, so I already created one guy who appear under staff data, under salaries, and also as a supplier, because this guy can get an advance. This guy can also be sent to go and buy some merchandise. So that's why you have to make sure that under advanced accounts, you create an account for staff data. All right. So also not this one. Okay. Where you create the staff data account here. Okay, you type in their first name, surname, and everything. Add there. Then an account is created. That's it. That's all what you need to do. Then from there, you need also to make sure that if this person is going to be used to go and buy some items for the company, you need to create an account under purchases also. Where do you go? You come here, supplier data again. So if you check, yeah, this guy is appearing as their staff data. So everything's okay. So now, this guy, you are saying you need some stationery to be bought. Now, the first thing which you need to do is to check whether you have a stationery code there, okay, which you can use. Okay, yes, we can. So let's say this is what we need, like A4. How many boxes? 10, all right? Okay, fine. So what we need to do now is create a purchase order. Under purchase order, create that one. Then this is the guy who is going to do the purchasing. Okay, perfect. Then from there, what we do now, you select the department, let's say finance, then currency, let's say ZMW, okay, COD, yes, this one not applicable quotation. So what is it by? We say the stationery, okay, good. Quantity, let's say 20 boxes, okay, at how much? 120, right? All right, good. So our purchase order is now done, right? Okay, good. Now our purchase order is done. Yeah. Now this guy need to go to with a purchase order to the accountant to go and get the money so that he can go and buy the material. So the purchase order, you print it. You know how to print the purchase order. Then from there, the accountant will raise a journal. Okay. Okay. Here, the purchase Petcash journal or Petcash transaction batch. So here, what will happen? It will be like this. So here we'll say Petcash reference. Okay. Then okay. All right. Now, when it comes here, no, before you go there, you need to select this guy. Okay. Then here you are going to say creditors. So okay. So here it will be advanced payment for stationery. Okay. Stationery. Good. So yeah. Okay. So we are debiting this guy because he hasn't yet got the invoices. So with the purchases order value, which is 24. So the paid cash is losing out. Okay, so we are crediting our paid cash there with the same amount. Save. Okay, good. Then now we can close it and post the journal here. Or before posting the journal, you need to print it so that you put it on your file. So as you can see, you see that this thing has now changed to staff paid cash voucher. Okay, so that is the reference number. How does it look like? Okay, okay, you can see supplier journal, but this one goes under paid cash. This is okay. The narration is okay. So close, we can post. So post here, right? Okay, posted. That's not a problem. Gone. So now, after buying, let's assume that this guy has come with the material. Go to the GRN voucher there to receive the materials, or which is the paper there. Then from here, what you do is you just match it with the purchase order. Select who has got the paper is this guy. Okay, everything is done. So you simply say okay, nothing to be done. Yeah. Then approve or match the GRN with the order. Okay, post, approve. Okay, done, complete. So now, okay, good. Now, let's see his account, how it's looking right now, because we expect his account to be cleared now after the transaction is complete. Okay, so, right, so we do it like this. Okay, let's check this guy's account. Right. Review. Oh, the account can't be cleared because we haven't posted the receipt, the invoice. Okay, so but if you check here, what we have created is just what we call the GRN suspense. When the invoice is posted, that's when it will go and clear there. So here we don't have a creditor per se. We have GRN suspense waiting for an invoice. Okay, this one here, 24, you can see it there. And down here, and the stock account has also gone up with 24. Everything is okay. Let's assume that the invoice is in now. So what we do, we go and post the invoice. Invoice here needs to be posted so that this guy is clear. So we post the invoice here. What else we need here? One, let's say invoice number. Invoice number, okay, whatever it is. Okay, then we come here and select this guy. Done. Save. Okay, then we need to approve the invoice here. Okay, after approving the invoice, then we are done. Okay, post done. Okay, good. And we need to close. Now, when we go and check here, on the supplier ledger, on the ledger for this guy, it should be cleared by now. So let's see what has happened here. Okay, good. Let's see what has happened. As you can see, it's clear here. Advance payment comes, yeah, it's like that comes with the invoice because there's got all the receipts. So it doesn't go as anything. Yeah, the whole amount are shifted to stock. Okay, which you have to be issuing via sundry issues, right? Okay, so now let's assume that this guy is not sent to go and pay for electricity. He's not buying any stock. What are we going to do now? Okay, let's say electricity is 10,000 watt. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll come back here, create a journal here, and do it like this. Then here, electricity, electricity, okay. Then, all right, who is who are we sending it there? Is this guy, all right? Yeah, because we are giving in cash. If it was a check, we should have created an account for Zesco. Now Zesco can't be created because the money is given to someone else to fund the pay. That's why we are doing it this way. Okay. So now here it will be creditors. So okay, amount given to pay Zesco. How much? Okay, so how much are we talking about? So let's say 3.5. Okay, so pet cash is losing out again. Yeah, pet cash is losing out again. So we credit pet cash the same amount and the same. That's it. Then okay, so we have done that. Now this guy comes back and brings the receipt, okay, or the invoice. Okay, the invoice or the receipt has come. So what do we do now? Again, we go back here. We are going to say, okay, you have bought, my friend, you have bought the receipt. So we say, okay, so let's go. So it's important to put the invoice number there. Okay, so yeah. So now the thing is we need to say again we direct it there. So now this is the invoice we are posting. So we are going to say electricity expense. Okay. So we say bills. Right? Okay. How much? 3,500. Okay. So here credit card. Okay. Good. So now we save, right? Then after saving, we close and post the journal. Okay. We post the journal here. Okay. In fact, there are two there. Right. Good. Then the other one, we need to post that one as well. Okay. Yeah. So when we come here, the supplier rate, let's check what has happened to the rate of this guy and see how we are moving. Should be okay now, right? Okay. Yeah, you see, this account is cleared because this invoice for Zesco has gone to electricity. So this is the way how you handle your pet cash. Okay, everything is okay. So if we go and check our core balance, we'll find that there is an amount of 3,500 represented as electricity. So if we check there, let's see what is going to happen. Right? You can see electricity, there is 3,500. Stock, there is 24. So this is the way how you handle for your services and the stock account using Petcash. Very straightforward. Now, the other thing which you need to do, you need to track your cash book as well. So go under cash book here. So under cash book here, let's see the balance which is there. Yeah. So which one is this? Bank, which is this one? Video here. We should find 200,000. Yes, it's there. Okay, as a balance. This is the way how you track your cash book balances. Petcash is the same. You just change here and say Petty. Yes, that's it. Let's see the balance which has remained. So we have 44,100 remaining. The narrations, we know what has happened to the money. Everything is okay. Yeah. So this is where we end with Petcash. I thought that I can share with you. Yeah. The other leg, the other side for salaries, we can do it at a later stage. Thank you so much for